Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit. Looking to go from something hazy that you will see here in the background to something clear. First step is the oxidation remover pads. They give you 8 of these. You want to go through in a circular motion, 4 for each headlight. This is the first pass. The second pass, what it looks like for the third pass, and the last pass is pretty clear. Next, the 2000 grit. You want to apply it, give it a spritz, and then move back and forth. No circular motions here, just back and forth, and you should see a haze on the headlight. You know, you're looking for a uniform haze. Next, move on to 3000. Spray again. Just looking to clear up from the 2000. Just back and forth, real simple. Next step is the ceramic coating. Just one smooth, even swipe. About 50-50 overlap across the whole headlight. This is the last step. And if I didn't mention it before, you don't want to do this in the rain. You don't want to get it wet once you put the ceramic coating on. Here's your before. And after photos. Pretty good.